My name is Chiara Luzzana. I am a sound designer and soundtracks composer. My language is music and my words are sounds. My mission is to give a voice to the cities. The Sound of City is a worldwide project, so I create a soundtrack for each city, turning the sound of the places I have been into music. It is not just music. My soundtrack must have a story to tell. I feel like an explorer. Recording sounds bring me to investigate the intimate side of the city. Swatch has believed in me, leaving me completely free to explore and to express my art. Actually, everyday life is a huge musical instrument for me. The important thing is to keep listening. Bye bye.